I once read this quote. It says, "The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page." And it stuck with me. You know, traveling clears your mind and empowers you to understand your life and our world. It is more than just a flight ticket and a getaway from the everyday hustle. It's about immersing yourself into different cultures, meeting lifelong friends, and discover the nature around yourself. People often say that money will return, but the experiences you get, the people you meet, and the chances to discover will not. Take a leap of faith and book that trip. Even if you don't have anyone to go with, you won't regret your decision. Because in the end, we don't really know how much time we got left.